I'm Nakama Tefema, and I'm going to go through the question that was sent us for presentation. Let me share my screen. Let's wait a bit. Here we are. We are going to first create a company in the names of Mark Traders. And then Limited Labs. So the legal name is the same as the company name. Street address was also given the box. The box 234. It is a city, Barara, country. We're going to select others. Email address is Mark at Africa online. Do industry, it is under automotive sales and repairs. The sole proprietor. January, it's good. I don't need the password. Please next. Mark traders, yes. Let us wait a bit for my company to create. Let us wait a moment. Next. So we're going to choose both service and product. Yes, is recommended. Yes, yes. This one is also recommended for my business. These ones, I need them. This I also need to track my inventory. Yes, I have to choose this right to employees. Yes, I'm going to use them today. It's January 1st, 2023. Income, this income, I'm going. Others that I'm going to use is just wait a bit. Start working. So before doing anything, I have to first change the currency into Ugandan shillings. We are going to choose edit preference, then multiple currencies, then my company code. Yes, I'm using more than. There are considerations that I have to consider, but I have to select yes because as a must, I have to change the currency into my home currency to make it active. Yes. So I'm done. So the company now close and will open. Yes, because I have to change the currency. Let us wait. Yeah, it's done. Even I also have to mute the accounting. This one is I have to mute them. Yes, I'm done. I choose okay. Okay. So they're telling us that the company operates a bank account in a secondary bank. So I'm going to first create that account. The new is in bank. Secondary bank account number 950011. And the new is having a petty cash. Yeah, save and close. And let me go to home. And the company customers and their balances was also given. So I'm going to first enter my customer. And the new. So I have coming traders. Let's open balance of CM as of January 1st, 2023. Then okay. The one I'm having of Peter. Done. This one that doesn't have opening balance. Also of Jan 1st, 2023. Have money. Okay. Bills. This one also have an opening balance of 1M as of Jan 1st, 2023. Yes. Last we have class models. improve spares with balance of 800. That as of Jan 1st, 2023. Okay, I'm done with entering my customers. The next, send the company suppliers as for us with their balances. So I'm going to vendor center. I can choose to enter multiple vendors. I'm going to use multiple vendors. So I can customize screens. I need this one. So I'm going to add. So from this, I'm going to remove these ones because they're not necessary. I'm going to remove these ones. And in balance, I have to add and then with these ones. Okay, first we have Cavalry sisters. Oh, have Cavalry sisters. Cavalry sisters with open balance of 1.7 as of Jan 1st, 2023. Next is Masaka Traders. Opening balance of 1.5 as of Jan 1st, 2023. Next it is Madra Porters. Porters, this one doesn't have open balance as of Jan 1st, 2023. So I'm done with my vendors. Okay, I've been saved. I'm going to on. And I also can ask the inventory items were as follows. I'm going to list item lists, then items, then new in inventory. Firstly, I'm having motorcycle. Motorcycle says V5V01. Motorcycle sheets is in units. Print of measures. Let me choose others because there is units. Abbreviation is U. Units. Then finish. Then cost is 4M. Sales price is 480. Then account is merchandise. Is then we add merchandise. Sales. Then on plus merchandise sales. Then opening balance is 8 as of Jan 1st, 2023. Sorry, let me redo this one. Then revise it is. The second item is generator. It's inventory part. Generator. We also measure the units. IV 002 first. 0.7 cells. So price is 3.5. What was merchandise? Quantity on hand is 10. January 26 as of first 2023. Okay. Let's see. That not list have oil. It is also under inventory part. Because I measured in liters and the new next others next liters. Then the cost price is 10,000. The sink cost is 16. There is also merchandise. The opening is this 10 as of January 21st, 2023. Okay. The last is servicing. So under items, then new. This one is service. So I'm not going to use inventory part. I'm going to select service. Towards servicing. The attendance is that rate. To the service income. I service income. Okay. Right, let me go to my home page. So we are having like additional information. Second, deposited 40 M in bank. That's all accounts, activities. Let us generalize that transaction. And that's Jan 2nd, 2020. And we deposited into bank a centenary. Then centenary with what M. And we credit and deposited funds. We don't have that account, so I'm going to add a new is under current asset, other current assets is undeposited funds. So save and new. On third, we withdraw 10 million from bank for office use. On third, we withdrew for business use. I'm going to debit petty cash that runs small expenses. So we withdraw. We debit petty cash with 100 M and credit centenary. Then save and new. Also, we can open the bank loan. So centenary of 100 million. We are going to add bank loan. Is loan. Bank loan. Save and new. So we are going to enter the interest of 14% per annum. Let me compute. Calculator is my calculator to say. It's 14 times 100 million divided by 100. It is the interest per annum. So they are telling us obtained for 5 years. I'm going to multiply 5 years. So I'm going, my interest is 70 million. So I'm going to debit 70 million on interest expense. So I'm going to debit to print my centenary. Yeah. On fourth, sold motorcycle and bank and cash was banked immediately. So I'm going to make a receipt. They didn't give us the customer, so I'm going to create walk-in customer. We sold 5 motorcycles. This motorcycle, I'm going to select motorcycle. And 5 and 3 generators. Generators. Okay. Yes, save and close. It is on fourth. Yes, save and close. So I'm going to deposit my cash. Yes. Yes, let me deposit. Save and close. 6 about 100 liters of engine oil. Let me make IPO. So they didn't specify, or they didn't give us the vendor. So I'm going to create my look in vendor. Use engine oil. Use 100. Yes, these 100 liters. Yes, on 6. Even close. I'm going to receive that inventory with a bill for easy payment because they didn't specify whether the purchase was made on cash or credit. So if they did specify, it means it was done on cash basis. So bill it is from working vendor. Yes, and use the LPO. Yes. After I have to pay that bill. My petty cash that runs small expenses is done. On 7th, bought 8 motorcycle from Cavalry and they made a half payment. So we bought. I'm going to choose LPO number. Bought 8 motorcycles. Let me choose motorcycle. Yeah, 8. 7. Close. So I'm going to receive my inventory of 8 motorcycles. Discover resistance. Yes. With and close. So I'm going to make my half payment. Discover half of 33 to 16 million. So it was in 60. That is 16 million using centenary. Okay, it's done. 10 Sold engine oil and service 5 generators. Third, you make a receipt. Working customer because they didn't give us the customer. On 10, use engine oil generators and serviced 5 generators. 7, close. The next one, 11, sold 6 motorcycles to Mona, 6 motorcycles to Mona and generator. So I'm going to put also a receipt. It is Mona, I'm not having Mona. So I'm going to add new auto dealers. Yes, auto dealers. We sold 6 motorcycles and 2 generators. But we sold at 20% at 2% discount. So I'm going to add the new choose discount, choose customer discount. At 2%. Going to add this discount. I'm not having that account, so I'm going to add the new. So the account name is discount allowed. And the name is different. Yes, it's okay. Yeah, that is it. Save and close. So on 12th, cleared Masaka traders by cash. I'm going to pay that bill. Masaka traders by cash. So we made the full payment by cash. I'm going to use my cash that runs more expenses. Pay that. Yeah, it is done. Also in 12th, cleared the following expenses by check. Going to write a check. Banking, and we'll write a check. We don't have the name of the vendor for the phone. So I'm not going to choose pay or pay to the order of because they didn't give me the name. So I'm going to go under account is showing. I'm not having it, so I'm going to add the new is expense is fuel. It is 60. Is 12. We have rent. Rent or 200. Have land. House renters. Step and have office cleaning. I'm not having that account, so I'm going to create new office cleaning. And new amount is 220,000. Seven of electricity. Electricity. Add a new electricity. That's they give us 48,500, which makes 98,000. Yeah, since it's in Meme, we can choose, since it's electricity, I can choose Meme to be my person to be. And Meme and put your Meme. Okay. And save 7 years is advertising. I'm having that account advertising of 20. Yeah, it's time. Now going to this. I'm not having that account. I'm going to add a new. Is under expense. It's body defense. Of 200. Save and remove. Yeah, they are over. I'm going to my home. On 12th, on 25th, paid salary to Amanda and Katete. I'm going to generalize negatives. Account was that we are going to debit. Let me first change the date. Salary. I'm not having that account. So I'm going to add. That is an expense. Continue. This salary. Going to debit 30. Then credit petty cash. You can make a small description to specify this salary. It's for Amanda. Salary. Petty cash minus salary. And also have a debtor's salary. And that account of 200. I'm going to debit petty cash also. Description, Katati, Katat, is salary. Also on 25th, withdraw cash for private use. Private use, those are drawings. So I'm going to debit owner's drawings. Owner's draw for 500. Going to debit credit centenary. 7 new. Bought computer. Going to add a new computer. It is a fixed asset. Continue. This computer. Worth 2 million. Going to choose petty cash. Expense small expenses. Yeah, it's done. Save and close. So the transactions that everything are over. So I'm going to go through my reports to see my profit and loss for the end of Jan and also the statement of financial position. I'm going to reports first center, company, and finance. I'm going to see profit and loss standard. Before I'm going to profit and loss standard, let me choose detail to see all details that I use for all transactions. Let me choose all. You're able to see my discount allowed, and it is in negative because it has to be different. Sales, you're seeing merchandise sales. My total income. Let's see. Daily expenses. Audit fees, and promotions, or my transactions. Yeah, salary for Amanda and attach and source. So my net income is this. Okay, let me go through my statement of financial position. This is balance sheet standard. Centenary of bank as my current assets. And account services, I'm having my undeposited funds, excess computer, and so many others. That's what I have for my presentation. Thank you, sir.